Alright, so from now on I will be making videos on Linux privilege escalation, right? And it's going to be so in depth, and trust me, by the end of this series you will know exactly how to go from a regular user to a privileged user, right? You can see my previous video that was about the Windows privilege escalation, and I have covered in that almost a lot. And as I go further and see if there is something missing in Windows privilege escalation, I will also make videos on that. So for now I will be focusing on the Linux system because I am done with the Windows privilege escalations. So let me quickly tell you why do we need the Linux privilege escalation. Because the thing is, most server in the real world, they run on Linux, right? Even the cloud infrastructure, and I should say the IoT things as well, like the Alexa and these kind of stuff. So we really need to study these stuff as well, the Linux privilege escalation. So let me tell you how I am going to make this series. Let me just break it down for you. So this is the outline I made for this series. You can see right here, this is it, and I have actually divided this in modules. Like we have, I think, 7, 9 or 8 modules. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yep, these are like 9 modules. So in the first module, what we're gonna do is, first I will be just talking about the introduction, Linux parallel escalation, why it matter, and these stuff. These are just basic stuff, and then we will discuss the normal manual enumeration in this one, and then in this one, this will be the automated one, because I mistakenly just wrote this 2 times. So let me just type automated enumeration, much better now. So in this one we will be using some tools that will help us to do the enumeration itself, and it will save our time so much. Oh, so the automated one is over here, so I should remove this, my bad. So first we will be doing the introduction, second we will be doing enumeration using the manual method, and then we will be using these tools, right? And in the second module, what we're gonna do is we will be talking about these bash history, logs, and config file and stuff, and then we will be coming to this finding database password and API keys. We will then discuss the password file abuse or exploitation, these stuff, and maybe I should do the walkthrough of that as well. And in the third module, what I'm going to do is the sudo exploitation, and then advanced sudo regs, like these stuff. In the fourth module, what we will be discussing about the SUID. It's like similar to the SID in the Windows, I guess. And then we'll be finding and exploiting the SUID binaries. In third module, we're gonna discuss these Linux capability stuff, and we will also discuss the exploitation of capabilities. Next, we will move to schedule task. In this, we will be just talking about the cron job exploitation, and also these script injection and advanced technique, right? And then in module 7, I think we will be studying about the path and environment. Yep, we will be just doing the path variable hijacking stuff. And in the module 8, this one is about the network and file system. We will be exploiting the NFS, or network and file system, in the Linux to gain higher level privilege. And in the last module, we will be studying about the kernel exploit, these stuff, and then we will be finding out and exploiting the kernel vulnerability, right? So if you are new over here, let me tell you, I will be uploading constantly, like one video a day or maybe 2 videos. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any videos. Peace out.